I'm great. I'm great.
Before the Max 17 start, I have a small prayer to make. There are certain matters which have been erroneously represented that they are carrying on the same question of law which is decided in this, which is to be decided in this lead matter. Whereas 17.31 considers 16.4a and 16.4b law. The lead matter considers 16.4 and 15.4 law. So erroneously they tagged it saying that pending similar matters and got an entry order also. Kindly re-tag it and my prayer. 17.31. Employees Union. 17.31.
That's what you want to keep.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, madam, we have no objection to
Yes,
that.
madam.
Wait a minute.
Madam, we have no objection to that.
You are asking him, but whoever is appearing in the 17.1, 7.3, have a look at it. If it is different from this batch, if you agree, we'll retag it.
My lord,
If you have an objection, leave it.
my lord, we detect that. We have no objection to that.
No objection.
Yes, madam.
Retag.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly give a date after they have obtained entry order.
Look at that now.
In certain matter also, in the Madhya Pradesh matter, they are challenging the ordinance infrastructure 17.22 So infrastructure matter is listed. Well, kindly examine the second.
I don't know.
The Madhya Pradesh.
Give the list. Very fine.
Yes, ma'am. The infrastructure matter is listed in the BS suffering law.
What needs to be done in this matter?
The state is in appeal. It is an appeal challenging the virus of their two acts and one notification which is struck down. It crosses 50%, so it following intra-sorry action. That's basically the issue. That's as far as Chhattisgarh is concerned. I understand that there are many appeals from Chhattisgarh apart from the state's appeal as well. The second issue I think is Mr. Mehta's, where from Madhya Pradesh there is.
I'm for the state of Madhya Pradesh. Supporting, you are challenging the business. I'm challenging the. But there is one IA 17.27.
There
are two acts which we perhaps challenge 22, 12, 2011. Yes. The public reservations, the SC, OBC Amendment Act 2011.
Yes.
And the educational institution.
30th March 12.
These two are helping their country.
That's Chhattisgarh.
They are not Chhattisgarh.
Yes.
Chhattisgarh. What about Madhya Pradesh? But Madhya Pradesh, yes, there is only one IA which is listed. 17.27. Yes, 17.27.
If you look 17.22 not this one. 22 is an infrastructure. Yes, what? Yes.
It's an application seeking stay. If your lordships can issue notice, but
I have also moved an application for vacating of stay in item number 17.27 also.
most of them are either private individuals or state of Chhattisgarh. Find a matter of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Solly.
17.22.
17.22 it starts. Yes. You are a respondent.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
I am
Is it
17.27, where we are, my lord, seeking for vacating the interim order. Lord, if notice can go, so she is here, she can respond, that's all.
Lord, may I tell just? May I tell just?
That may I make a little submission?
That's also about 17, yes. 17.27 is Madhya Pradesh, where petitions were filed challenging notifications, challenging the reservation. We filed transfer petitions and matters are listed.
No, that's
Act is not under challenge in this.
So there's a CC as well. CC and TP. 77 is TP, 22 is
I think all are transferred. All are transferred. Madhya Pradesh. Relied upon
the principal act is a 1994 act of the unified state. Now that is amended, the reservation.
Lord, we relied upon Chhattisgarh that the same issue is pending. It is decided by Chhattisgarh High Court. Your lordships are examining it.
TPs are allowed. So they stand transfer. Lord, it is Madhya Pradesh Lok Seva within bracket अनुसूचित जातियों, अनुसूचित जनजातियों.
Milord, I am the agreed people, Milord. Milord, we are beneficiary of the act. I am the beneficiary candidate, Milord, suffered the Lord, Milord, last 1 year, Milord. Ordinance was challenged, ordinance lapsed, and that matter is listed. Prayer is work out. Nothing remain, Milord. Pay, kindly come, item 22, Milord. So ordinance is already left, act is enacted, no court stay by the act. Even though they are issuing the contrary notification which is pending before this honorable court in my matter. Madhya Pradesh, my lord. Yes, my lord. Act is not stay by any court, my lord. Even though they are issuing the contrary notification which is my in the subject petition, and they are contrary to the act, they are issuing the notification and restrain the enforcement of the law, my lord. This is a very unfortunate. They are initially, yes. Yes, my lord. Yes. Yes. No, in the light of they pass a separate through ordinance, they are increasing the reservation in the March of 2029, 19. That ordinance was challenged before the Honorable High Court. High Court passed a very limited order regarding the counselling of the PG counselling. Not in give a 40%, not exceed the 40% reservation. Ordinance is in your favor. Your client's favor. Ordinance is in my favor. Thereafter, act is enacted. Yes, my lord. Act is not challenged.
This petition,
those petition who is challenging the ordinance, they must be decided. Ordinance itself lapses after enactment of the law. Like item 22 below. Ordinance itself the act is in force.
yes,
Now that has not been subjected to any challenge.
Yes,
it is
no.
it is subjected to challenge before the High Court, and that challenge has come here. No, on X, there are several matters. He is talking about only one matter.
I'm sorry.
Your act, what stops you from enforcing your action?
There is an interim
Order.
Lord, in item number.
Same.
Lord, the High Court has passed an interim order before it was transferred, before your lordship. And High Court order
In ordinance. In ordinance. I'm sorry.
kindly lordship may permit to demonstrate the actual scenario of this case, my lord. Rules which implemented the reservation is state. Technically, my learned friend may be right that it was ordinance. We can
do one thing. As you have very, very correctly answered, that we will list your IA. If we can get the interim order,
kindly do that's why, my lord, I started.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
He's supporting you.
Yes, ma'am.
He wants that interim application.
Yes.
That's why I started with it. My learned friend is
Main petition.
No, my lord, we are suffering Lord.
Isn't this same petition?
she is the
I'm
my
opposing
learned
the application. The stay is operating against. Yes, it cannot be that.
You heard independently that the High Court hear the matter, will be with the interim order.
Absolutely. Grateful, Your Lordship.
If it is not exceeding or if it is otherwise quantified with data, all those standard formula are prima facie not favor.
we would be facing a problem. And this is now covered by the Chhattisgarh High Court judgment. And though not a binding precedent, but it would be difficult to distinguish.
Lordship, the great respect, the only difference between Chhattisgarh and MP is the appointments were made over there. They're only.
If it's not possible to arrange some transfer, they will pay you on
They are transferred. But
it's not possible to mediate and then send it back for hearing.
The High Court of Madhya Pradesh would feel bound, no, may not be technically bound, because the act is same.
No, the initial act, the 94 Act was one services act, but 2011, 2012 were two enactments of the Chhattisgarh legislature. It's those which were challenged because they enhanced the proportion of reservation that was being given to take it past 50%. So those two were struck down. But on Chhattisgarh, I have a sub view on Chhattisgarh. Madhya Pradesh, I used to notice.
But Madhya Pradesh has to be taken separately, so if they could be taken separately because Chhattisgarh has already.
I'm with my friend on this. I think it should be taken because the virus is complicated. Now, on Chhattisgarh, there's an interim order your lordship shall pass. That interim order was only to this limited extent that those ongoing processes for admissions and for appointments that may be carried on without interference. That's all. No, at the interim stage. Only of those which are already in place, your lordship can just see that interim order because that interim order is now being used. That's 1st May 2023. That's what. I just want that order to. It needs to be. In my view, once it crossed 50% and the court has looked at it, there is nothing really left. But obviously, they will have to argue.
And of course,
that they will argue.
petitioner over High Court would always.
But the interim order is in our favor. They are not implemented. That interim order, my lord. We have filed a contempt petition, my lord. My lord may issue notice in the meanwhile. My lord may kindly peruse the orders, my lord, if they are implemented. My lord, item 17.33, my lord. Along with all of this.
17.3 is a small matter separate from lordship. So it's separate matter.
33 also, my lord, with that.
May I repeat?
33 also with that, my lord.
Pradesh may have some overlapping. May be kept separate, but on the same. Chhattisgarh matters and as usual,
My lord, after 2 weeks, my lord. My lord, in this interim order is there, my lord. They are implementing, my lord, the include judgment.
For us, this will take 20 minutes.
Counter has not come, my lord.
Our side has
Counter
20
has not come, my lord.
So we don't want to file a counter. 20 minutes.
No counter has been out on us, my lord. Yes, sir.
But this IA can be
My lord,
listed.
in the meantime,
IA can be listed out someday, but not early.
my lord, may kindly examine. Contempt petition, item 33, my lord. 33 and 33 also with that. Yes, sir.
My lords, Dr. Rajiv Dhawan.
Somebody give us some person who can coordinate on all your behalf.
Yes, sir. Mr. Ravi Prakash will coordinate. Mr. Ravi Prakash will coordinate. Ravi Prakash.
Pooja is here. Pooja is here for the.
Puja appear on behalf of the respondents and the board of council as per the sports notification for filing written submissions. Please coordinate Puja with file the written submissions in 3 weeks time.
Very good.
Thank you.
My lord, 30, 31 and 30
For which interim order is concerned. That can come next year.
State में kindly that will again be subject to the court of section Madhya Pradesh.
This is in Madhya Pradesh. For whatever.
May I answer this directly?
We can allot request for the same order.
Appropriate order.
May I show the order passed in Chhattisgarh? Maybe we may, once we your office.
Order.
The Chhattisgarh matter has this.
Only a minute, sir. only 10 seconds.
Don't do that.
My lord,
Don't do that, please.
my lord, this is a very
Don't do that, please.
Allow us to support you, sir. That's order of 1st May 23 in SLP civil number 18816. This is Chhattisgarh. The Lordship gets for Dr. Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the state submits that before the judgment of the High Court was delivered, various advertisements have been issued and the selection processes were also in the process. We submitted that if the petitioner is not permitted to go ahead with the selection process, will also make the promotion, the state would face a acute shortage of manpower. Ms. So-and-so, counsel appearing for the petitioners have vehemently opposed. We find that the situation cannot be permitted where the state does not have requisite manpower to run the administration. We therefore permit the state to go ahead with the selection process and make appointments and promotions. However, it is made clear that the seat shall be subject to the result of the petition. Or Chhattisgarh, which we would request, yes, that is against us in the High Court. Kindly have a look, in DC number 7 of 25.
Just wait, don't interrupt. After that, we can always. Just read that it will happen.
Yes, I'll just read, page 140, 14A. Consequently, I'm not reading the findings. It's a 2-page, 1.5 page of that. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that prior to the aforesaid amendment in the rules, MP Ordinance so-and-so was brought into force, providing for similar enhancement in the reservation quota for OBC category from so-and-so. This ordinance was challenged in the petition and several other similar petitions, where this court granted interim relief to the extent of restraining official respondent from providing 14% reservation to OBC. Consequently, this court, following the principle of parity clearance as an interim measure, that to maintain the upper limit of 50% in vertical reservation services as laid down by various judgment judicial pronouncements of FS court, impugn notification dated so-and-so shall be restricted to the extent it provides for enhanced 13% reservation for OBC category, with clarification that reservation of OBC category till pendency of this petition shall continue to be restricted to 14%. So it is post pre-era which is restored.
Yes, it does.
It does, but I have a justification. That is the subject matter. Therefore, I am respectfully submitting. Yeah, my learning.
Lordship, we have a problem with this because in the yes, Your Lordship. I'm in favor.
Original petition.
I'm the original petitioner here in the High Court. Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm opposing it, saying that today the OBC after this notification has become 27%, and the total has become above 50%. So therefore, it should not be allowed to continue to be stayed. Also, the difference in
That's in Chhattisgarh also. I am seeking parity. This court in Chhattisgarh. That's all I say.
It is for ST category, not OBC. OBC continues to be 14%. Also, Your Lordship, Chhattisgarh, the appointments are already in wait. Here, the results have not been declared. So whether it goes to
That Chhattisgarh, in fact, I wanted to clarify.
The only distinction, my lord, is draw is there, my lord, everything. Here, my lord, the results are not declared because of the injunction. Yes, my lord. And manpower, my lord, we don't have the manpower. People are struggling, and if they will come, go back, my lord. If she succeeds, she is not getting anything.
I just read. Mostly till the next date that we have fixed up. And the matter ends there because it's anyway been waiting.
My lord, I understand, my lord, but in the meanwhile, my lord, if we are permitted to do what Chhattisgarh is permitted to do, my lord, she will not be prejudiced.
the reason why
She will not be prejudiced. She is in any case not getting it. She is preventing others from getting it. Yes.
Well, it's because I won't be there when they are arguing this. The Chhattisgarh order, that's why I was drawing your lordship attention, was very specific because of advertisement that had been issued before the judgment was delivered. So my problem today is that by using this order, which was very limited, saying that those who are in the pipeline, you allow them to be appointed. No, I'm saying using that, Chhattisgarh is saying that interim order permits them to go whole hog implementing the act. That is very clear. Yes, Chhattisgarh is very clear. It says because you had advertisements pending before the judgment, you can complete that. That's all. No, it doesn't.
My lord, that was a dream arrangement.
Act has been struck down.
Yes, Your Lordship,
I understand, my lord. We'll.
Very next bit.
My lord, in the contempt petition, that may be listed separately.
Tell us. What do you want?
My appearance very limited. My advertisement issuing the 27th of the not only 30 seconds. Well, advertisement 27 what? Well, they enforce the partly well. Sometimes they are enforcing the 27% reservation, sometimes they restrict. I am waiting for Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh.
They are listing that IA.
Well, IAM is a very specific prayer melody.
Absolutely. Even you are IA. We'll hear you.
Yes. No, the separate time. 168, 140.
The numbers is.
We are all the next page.
Great.
Item 1.
Obliged.
52.
You the
My lord, 31 and 33, my lord.
Sometime next week or yes.
So, pick it up.
31 and 33, my lord, both same. 33 is also in 31, my lord, that contempt petition. My lord. So that may be listed with that, my lord.
Of course. I which have withdrawn, but reside in defects that is there on record.
Number it. Eighteen.
18, my lord, circulated letter.
What right do you have, sir?
Please, my lord.